Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Studio Fancy. So today I start new Photoshop tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to retouching as a pro step by step. So in this video, you can see how to clear the skin as first step. So let's see how to do it. Duplicate the layer, create the new layer. Select Spot Healing Brush tool and set Type as Content Aware. Clear all the patches on the face as I do. So this is the final result after a first step. In the next video, I'll show you how to make a soft skin. Hit that like button and subscribe our channel if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.